What's going on? It's your boy Aristotle, and I'm about to show you how I made 50K in 1 month on the Robinhood app. All right. So as you can see, it's up 50,000 in 1 month. 1 day, 14,000. 1 week. All right. So I just started this account. 1 month. All right. So yep, look at that. We made a lot of money in a month. So let's go in and look at where it all started. So I told my chat, Honey Drip Network, link in the description, that hey, I started a Leap account with some spare change I had. I'll add more if we get another leg down, just being transparent with what I'm doing. That's all. I'm setting and forgetting these. So don't ask me about it. These 2 months or 3 months from now, right? So I said, ask me about it next year. So I told them to literally ask me about these next year. Then I told them what I'm adding. Said adding SQ, Meta, feel free. And then I'm gonna show you on the chart too, what I'm doing. All right, so then, you know, I'm adding more leaps, and then look, they start going earlier on the year. And then we putting up insane numbers. And then, you know, I'm just updating them as time go by. I'm like, hey, we getting money, we getting money. So as you can see right here, we're up 50K, and I'm going to show you my positions, all right? So I'm gonna show you my positions, then we're gonna hop on the chart, and I'm gonna show you why I bought these, all right? So I got some SPY puts to hedge. I bought AMD calls, Tesla, Amazon, Google. So I'm up pretty big on SQ. I'm up 10K, 62%. I'm up big on NVIDIA, 19,000, up 122%. I call all of these in my group chat, by the way. Shop, we're up 8,600, 81%. Meta, we're up good on Meta. 10,000, almost 11,000, 107%. And then I'm down on Google, down on Amazon, up on Tesla, up 53%. So I put in 8 grand in Tesla. Should have put way more in Tesla. And then AMD, I'm finally in profit, up 13%. So nice, finally in profit. Amazon, still down. What am I down by? 33%. That'll come back. Okay, we'll wait on Amazon. Oh, and Tesla will come back. What are we down? 28%. All right. So we're good. And I got all these free stocks that I need to sell. You know, all these free stocks from Robinhood, from all referrals. But anyways, let's get into why I bought each one. So the first one we're gonna look at, we can look at SQ. All right, let's look at SQ. All right. This video is sponsored by Honey Drip Network. Honey Drip Network is an option trading and sports betting community that is also growing in numerous things that we'll be teaching our community. We have free options and sports betting watch lists, free webinars, free videos, and free trading bots. Link in the description if you're interested in joining this free community so we can show you how to get this money for free. Let's get it. When I'm up 62% on almost 11K, SQ. All right, so I bought SQ, when was this? 9/28. So September 28th. Right here. Boom. I bought SQ on this candle right here. So you're going to see when I bought these. I bought SQ here. Right? And look where it is now. So I bought very low. All right. Now let's go look when I bought NVIDIA. I bought NVIDIA 926. Let's go look at NVIDIA. As you can see. So dates don't lie, right? Numbers don't lie. Date purchase. 9/26. Right here, this day. So let's look at the psychology of when I purchased. I purchased when Nvidia was at the RSI. So I bought low. I bought Nvidia here. And then now we're up here. So that's dope. But then you see I was down for a little bit, held, and now we up 122%. And this thing just broke trend, so I could be up. So I'm up 8,000. So let's look at Shopify. So let's take a look at Shopify. Let's see when I bought this thing. I bought it 9/26. So September 26. So I bought Shopify here. So I bought them relatively low too. After they broke support. Could have added some there. Should have. Cool. Shopify up. Big. Nice. So I'm happy about that. Bought Shopify here. 9/26. Let's look at this exact candle. So let's look at where it was on the RSI too. So it wasn't oversold, but I was like, I just like Shopify here. I mean, it was $27. Like, who wouldn't like Shopify here? So I was like, cool, I'm gonna buy Shopify. So if you really want to know why I bought these, because why wouldn't you? Look at this. This is check this out. I'm looking at Shopify. This thing stock split it, right? But it was up here. It was in the thousands at one point. Then it's all the way here. This is extremely undervalued. I had to buy the dip. Had to. This thing might be like a inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. Look at that. We have an inverse head and shoulders on Shopify weekly. That means this thing could take off. And it's low key breaking out. Look at that. So we got an inverse head and shoulders on Shopify weekly, and it's trying to break out. So let me show you an inverse head and shoulders. All right, check that out. First shoulder, head, second shoulder. See that? Shoulder, head, shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. This thing might take off. So if I were you guys, the next pullback, me personally, especially if SPY breaks out, I get in. This thing is looking like an inverse head and shoulders right in front of our eyes. We might go parabolic from here though. SPY just broke. Yeah. It's right there too. So yeah, if this thing keeps going, it can go. Let's look at Meta. All right. So Meta, why did I buy? Why did I buy Meta? Because for one, again, when you drop this low, you have to take it serious. You have to purchase, okay? We went from 300 something to this. So let's see when I bought. I bought them 10/28. So kind of late. No, this is October. October 28th. Boom. So I bought them this day, all the way down here. This candle right here, on a Friday, right there, hit the jackpot. So now we gonna be rich forever. Boom, boom. All right. So yeah, and then they had this triangle here. This thing went. It did a pennant. So Meta did a whole pennant pattern. Check this out. Or we'll say symmetrical triangle. So Meta did his thing. It did a continuation one though, like kind of like that one. Like this one. That's what it did. Beautiful. Like right here, you see that? So what it'll do is it'll kind of snake into a triangle and then slither out. You see that? See how it kind of then went up, then dropped into a triangle, and then boom. Like, history repeats itself. You'll start noticing certain patterns. Let's look at Tesla. I know I bought them on the dip. We gonna be rich forever off Tesla. Especially we bought this dip. So Tesla just broke trend. So that's crazy. When did I buy them? You gotta buy Tesla on this deal. Check this out. So we got from here to here, 400 to 100. That's a $300 drop. You have to buy it. All right. So I bought Tesla 1.5. So I waited forever on Tesla. Patience. I bought Tesla here. Holy crap. I bought Tesla right here. That's great. Right here. So look at, I'm catching the real bottoms. This is the proof in the pudding. I'm catching real bottoms. And I got 3 years left. No, 2 years left. So yeah, if we have a bull market, we're gonna be rich. 2 years from now. So that's how you do it, folks. AMD, I got time. I probably bought them. I knew I bought them wrong, but let's look at the patience. So AMD, 926. Some reason I remember buying them and holding. Oh, right here. Yep. I bought them here. So that's why I'm just now in profit. Because all of this ate my contracts. So yeah, I bought them here. It went up a little bit. I was up, then I was down. And now I'm back up. So patience. See how I'm holding through the storm? Look at that. So all it is knowing. I trusted. I waited for leaps. I trusted that one day we're going to get a nice drop and I'm going to be able to buy the dip. So I did that. But I bought here. So I'm still always close to the bottom. If I'm not, and I hold through the suck, you got to hold. This is months and months of holding. So you got to trust your analysis. So I trusted my analysis. And then SQ, like I said, all of this is similar principles. I think I bought Apple kind of weird too. I got a long time on Apple, so I'm gonna make some money off them. I could buy some more though. That's why I didn't want to buy Apple too much. Cause I wanted Apple to break this support. So I was like, I'm gonna buy a little bit. Cause they're so strong. But Apple withstood the recession low key. So Apple might not be a bad idea, folks. But it still gotta cross this thing right here, which is almost there. So if it rejects that, if we get one more leg down, I'm adding to some leaps for sure. I'm going in on some more leaps, especially if we break support one more time. I'm gonna double down on leaps. So yeah. But yeah, I'm watching, folks. But it's your boy Aristotle. And that's essentially how I made 50K in a month, holding through the storm, and it paid off. All right, holding through the storm and it paid off. So this is how I go. That's how you do it, the Aristotle way. Oh, and join my chat so you can get these plays. Honey drip. Or you could join the free version. Come up here and we give you a free option watch list, updates, Zoom webinars, you know, updates and stuff. So don't miss out.